Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for many of us: healthy eating on a budget. Eating well doesn't have to break the bank, so let's get started with some awesome tips and tricks. First up, planning is key. Make a shopping list before you head to the store. This helps you stay focused and avoid impulse buys. Stick to the basics: fruits, veggies, grains, and proteins. Buy in bulk. Foods like rice, beans, oats, and frozen veggies are not only healthy but also affordable when bought in larger quantities. Plus, they have a longer shelf life, so you can stock up and save. Speaking of fruits and veggies, try to buy what's in season. Seasonal produce is often cheaper and tastes better. Farmers markets are a great place to find fresh, affordable produce. Next, let's talk about meal prep. Cooking at home saves you money and allows you to control what goes into your food. Spend a couple of hours each week prepping meals and snacks. It'll save you time and money in the long run. Here's a simple, budget-friendly meal: a quinoa and black bean salad with plenty of veggies. Quinoa and beans are packed with protein and fiber, and they're super affordable. Don't forget to compare prices. Store brands are often just as good as name brands but cost less. Also, look for sales and use coupons when you can. Another tip is to bring your own snacks and lunch. Buying food on the go can add up quickly. Pack things like nuts, fruits, and homemade granola bars. Lastly, be mindful of portion sizes. Eating healthy doesn't mean eating more. Moderation is key, and this way, your food lasts longer. So there you have it. Eating healthy on a budget is totally doable with a little planning and smart shopping. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more budget-friendly tips. And comment below with your favorite budget-friendly healthy meal ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Stay healthy and happy.